Today, we're exploring how to get free email lists for marketing to boost your business. Diving in, it's crucial to understand the importance of email lists. They're the backbone of digital marketing, connecting you directly with potential customers. Firstly, let's talk about sign-up forms. Placing them on your website captures visitors' information, growing your email list organically and for free. Social media is your friend. Promote sign-up forms through your channels, encouraging followers to join your email list. It's a win-win. Networking can't be overlooked. Attend events, meet people, and exchange contact information. It's old school, but it works. Participating in online forums and communities is another goldmine. Engage, share your knowledge, and invite people to join your email list. Collaboration is key. Partner with other businesses or influencers. Cross-promotion can help both parties grow their email lists. Remember, quality over quantity. It's about getting the right people on your list, those genuinely interested in your products or services. Lastly, always ensure compliance with data protection laws. Respect privacy, and you'll build trust with your audience. In conclusion, acquiring free email lists for marketing is about creativity and engagement. Build relationships, offer value, and watch your list grow. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Implement these strategies, and you're on your way to email marketing success.